Hey, thanks for clicking on this video. Things are moving along. Just a little bit of easy listening for you. It's the only way I know how to get the seals out. Be a little careful, clean it up. Probably should have went in there with a little bit of emery cloth or something just to clean a bit better, but it didn't feel too bad to me. I'm just getting something the same size as the bearing. Big socket would probably be the ticket, but I just don't have anything that big, so the only thing I could think of is a dome cap to a chain link fence I have on hand. And you know what they say, to do as I say, not as I do. So classic example. Yeah, that's how she goes some days. Still windy out, so a little bit of voiceover. Hope that doesn't bug you too much. But second chance is the ticket. And I'll just let this play out. Just thought I'd check in with everyone. Appreciate whoever watches this. It does help my channel out and keep me motivated making videos for y'all. It'll come up here. I'm getting the I think spider gears into the rear end. A bit of a spoiler, but I struggled with getting those gears in. And the problem is I don't have really a tip to show you, and even filming it. I cleaned this up a bit. I know it probably doesn't look like it, but just so I didn't, get a bunch of dirt and stuff back into the seal. But oh yeah, put it in your little clips and things like that. But yeah, I struggle with putting the spider gears in, just lining them both up. So you put one in, roll it back till it's almost falling out, and then roll the other one in, and so it lines up so you can put that kind of the shaft that holds the spider gears in, and then put the pin back. I for some reason I didn't get that footage. I don't know if my camera just timed out or what, but I missed some of it. So this was a struggle, and there was quite a bit of footage here that I cut out. I just show putting in the spider gears. I don't put myself struggling with it. So, but that's it. I'll sign off. Keep watching the vid if you want. It just me finishing it up, and yeah, keep the good comments coming. Enjoy it, and take care.
much later.